I-ANC iNorth beyisolwe ekuhlukana ngekhatsi isikhatsi lesitse sukela nga-2018 iNorth solo idel committee lesifundza lelihlelekile njengoba ihola likomiti lesifundza lelibambe kwesikhashana. Leli committee lithi likulungele kubamba inkomfa yesifundza.
Good news is that we are now over 100 branches that are now in good standing. We are still working very hard to launch other branches so that we can have a 70% readiness of the branches going, because the constitution requires that we must be 70%, but 100% and over is good news.
Njengoba ilungiselela kubamba inkomfa yesifundza, umfelandzawonye walenhlangano ucwayise lenhlangano lebusaka ukuthi licaphele tento tekutsenga kwemavoti.
What kills the ANC is money. And what kills COSATU affiliates is money. What kills the strength of the Communist Party is money. So that one thing that we must refuse and kick it out of our organizations, it's money circulation.
ANC must just sober up, support the IPC in the Northwest, give them the necessary tools to make sure that branches goes to BBGMs, branches select their own preferred candidate without being influenced.
Umfelandzawonye ufuna ukuthi lenhlangano isombulule ludzaba lemakhansela latfola tikhundla ngalokungekho emthethweni njengoba kamange agcoke kwimihlangano yemphakatsi.
Those who knows went to the council by default by paying certain money to individuals, they must know that they are going to be removed.
Baphela uthi kunelicembu leligcokiwe kuphenya loludzaba.